Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting day planned at Snow Cleaning Day. We're going to make the most of this beautiful day by cleaning our snow and shoveling the sidewalks. So, let's get started. First, we're going to shovel the snow from our front door and windows. I know, it sounds like a lot, but with the help of the broom, we can do it in no time. While we work on the front door, folks, our snow cleaning day. We hope you enjoyed joining us in this fun and productive activity. Snow does have a serene beauty, transforming landscapes into a winter wonderland. The way it blankets everything can be quite picturesque. I love watching the snowflakes as they come down from the sky, like tiny, magical dust. As the snow falls, the world transforms into a magical, silent scene. The air gets cooler, and everyone huddles together to get a warm, cozy glimpse of the snowflakes as they dance in the wind. Snow has another beautiful quality: it paints the world in a new, serene and peaceful hue. As you walk outside in the snow, the pristine white snow reflects the bright blue sky. You can't help but feel a sense of calm and tranquility, creating a stunning contrast. Let's also sweep the sidewalks outside our house and around the yard. Now that the main parts of our house are cleaned, let's move on to the backyard. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.